Everyone, myself Mrs. ROSALINE NIRMALA, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. Okay, now we are going to see about the activity-based instruction that comes under the one of the method is a role play method. It comes under the student-centered activity method. Okay, so as we all know that when the teacher involvement is less, when the student involvement is more, when you compare with the teacher involvement, the better understanding will be there. Every concept is we are making the students to understand better. So here we are going to discuss about the role play method. In the role play method, for example, if you want to teach the parts of the computer, that is the main parts of the computer. So whatever when you explain through the diagrammatic representation also, when you act each role, when you give to the students, it is for the better understanding. So now also we are going to do the same thing. So for example, we are going to say about the parts of the computer. So I am giving the three main role to the students. One is a CPU, another one is a keyboard, and another one is a monitor. Yes, Kavya, what's the role?
Hi, I am CPU, Central Processing Unit. I am the brain of the computer. And my functions are I process everything and I control everything. What the computer wants to do and when what it wants to do.
So that CPU is set by Kavya. So it is never forget that particular concept because herself only acting, isn't it? So next one, please, Swati.
I am a monitor and I am an output device and I visualize everything like images, videos and graphic representations. I am various types and various forms like LED, LCD, OLED, CRT. CRT is the old model and it is used for visualizing images, videos in a brighter way.
Okay, very good. Next one, Sonia.
I am a keyboard. I totally have 104 keys, and in that there are several alphanumeric keys in it. I have function keys starting from F1 to F12. Then there are so many navigation keys. I mean the 4 navigation keys, the right, left, up, down, and then some certain special keys like shift, enter, backspace, alt, delete, some certain kinds of keys. So I am one of the input device. I am the major input device, and with me you can enter all the text into the computer viewing through a monitor.
Yes, yes, very good. So these are the main parts of the computer. Likewise, some topics can be teach through the role play method. For example, in our science topic, whatever may be maths also. Suppose the teacher wants to teach about the addition, subtraction and multiplication. So each one has its own functions, isn't it? So when you compare to the other method, what do you feel, Sonia? This role play method?
Role play method, it will keep us informed, like we will not forget what we are doing, what kind of character we are doing, and we will have more information on that particular subject what we are playing as a role play.
Yes. So whenever you ask like what Swati said no about the monitor, so she never forgets because she has that particular role as a monitor. So that will be retained for a longer time. So when you compare to the lecture method, so can you give some advantages related to that one, Swati? Yeah.
It improves communication skill. By role playing, it improves the communication skill. We can retain the concept for a long time.
Very good, very good. Yes, the communication skill also develop, even acting skill also. Acting skill, then stage fear. Some the students are not able to come forward to show their talents. So when you give in a classroom situation, it is better understanding. Then they have that get rid of their fearness to face any situation also. So role play is also one of the best method for the activity based instruction also. Any other advantages do you think that?
Learning by doing.
Very
It is a
good.
process of learning by doing. It helps to understand the students very easily.
Yeah, very good. Learning by doing, because in small students we will have the dress also, costume also, like that monitor or CPU, whatever may be, whatever the concept you are teaching, we'll ask the students to also have that particular costume. It is more better, isn't it? Then any other advantage do you feel that?
It also builds more confidence in my personality.
So a very good confidence in the personalities. So when you compared with the other activity based method, so role play is also a best method for children to teach some topics, because we cannot teach all the topics through the role play method.